Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the gossip quest about a perfect puzzle night in Heartopia. So to complete this quest, first just go meet the NPC Annie at the central square over here at this area, and then just meet to her like this, talk to her, and then just tap on gossip quest, a perfect puzzle night like this. And then just tap on leave it to me. And then in here you must give any tweets that can distract a cat. And to complete or to finish this quest, it's very simple. First just go to the NPC Massimo, this one, just go meet him. And after that just buy meats, this one, just buy 10 meats like this, and then just purchase. And then next just go back to NPC Annie like this. You can notice that it's already done like this, and then just go back to Annie to confirm the quest like this, then just submit, and the gossip quest is complete like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.